Hey, I'm not late. Actually, I'm also not muted. Oops. Okay, the ad's finished. Hello. Whoa, my face is already here. That's impressive. That never happens. So today, carrying on what we were doing yesterday, but hopefully there's more people here, which will mean I have more to chat about other than just exactly transcribing what I'm doing. God, I did not stir this drink properly. Sorry, I made hot chocolate while the ads were running. Not bad. So, I think I did a little bit more work on it while you were gone, after I finished the stream yesterday. Okay, first thing, make it so the player character is our intended player character. So we go to Game Modes, Overworld, Blueprints. No, we go to... Actually, we need to make it so we start in our actual thing and not the third-person test map. So we go to Project Settings. For maps and... Where's maps and modes? Enter turbo. No. Can I skip it? Oh, it's right up in project. Okay. Default game mode needs to be... What did I call it? Shit. Overworld blueprints. Oh, we're in old content. That's not good. We need to go to then regular content, game modes, overworld, blueprints. Oh, that is an incredibly vague thing. It should be GM underscore overworld. Okay, so our edit startup map is basically a lot of spare levels from, like, because every time you import an asset, it usually has like a demo map, which can really bloat your file system. But we are looking for Grasslands 1, is that the right thing? Oh, well, no, yeah, that's correct. And game default should also be Grasslands 1. We'll make a separate thing to be the main menu at some point. And our default game mode is GM underscore overworld. we actually then set that overall player character, that is correct. Meaning here, we don't want to be here, actually we want to go to levels, go to grasslands 1, we want to put our player start in somewhere. Wait, no, player start. Yeah, player start can just sort of go anywhere now. Later it'll be put at 0, 0, and then constructing the player will put them at their saved position, so we don't really need to worry about where the thing goes itself. Now when we start, we are the correct thing. However, the overworld player character currently looks like this. So we need our mesh to be slicer. Rotate it by 90 degrees. Negative 90, I know these numbers. There we go. I think 0.2 is the correct scale. No, 0.02? Yeah, you look like my boy. Did we fix all the animations? No, we can test. I'm going to have to fix the camera at some point, but So we need an anim class which would be ab underscore slicer movement. And we compile. And you're not doing anything. Why aren't you doing anything? AB slicer movement. Compile error. Okay, where's your compile error? In here. Oh, it's okay. So if I click on that, what's that referencing then? Wait, this is BS slicing. Oh shit! I need to. That's the old version of slicer movement. If I go. Okay, now it should work properly. Here? Yeah. Now, what was the height of our... We can just sort of guess this, I suppose. No, 20 is way too big there. This would be like 16. No, smaller. 10. We've also got to re-add the hitbox specifically for the sword blade thing. First we get the basic bits working. That's too small. Too tall. I think you need to be centered. Yeah, that seems better. And then the mesh needs a thing called cube. No, it's not cube, it is box. Parent socket will be blade. I'll probably pause the animations to get this lined up. We'll get real close and precise. Oop, no, this needs to be at a smaller snap size. Yeah, that's the wrong direction. Oops. Apparently doesn't like this. I do know. There we go. Just make it a little fatter this way just for better collision. There we go. Value. When we spawn in, there's no movement. So we need to go to the C++ class, see what's up with that, because our class is derived from try4 character, which should have the movement controls already existing. Okay, so open up the previous class because I'm confused. Old content, game mode, overworld, blueprints, third person character. Yes, that's fine, you can open it. Thing is, there's nothing I can't select a viewport because it doesn't exist. Because the what's different between that and what would our regular character be? Oh, we mean third person blueprint. It'd be third person character. So if I set that to what we play as, You go third person. That's now what we're playing as. Why does that have movement? What's different there? Input. Okay, so on this we go movement. Oh, you don't have the, what's it called? IA_move. No, you're deprecated. Well, not deprecated, but it's just in the folder that I don't use. But that's the correct one. Now we compile this. Excuse me. Game mode. We are GM Overworld. Okay, so it recognizes my click, but oh dear, that's frozen. Oh shit, it's okay, it simulates him in here. And have I compiled it? No, I must have done. Okay, this actually brings up a more important question: is the BP third person character is what we should just sort of copy this into and then just change its mesh? That would make far more sense. Here's slicer. That goes there. Construction script goes into construction script. And compile. What do you mean compile error? Right, yeah, this is missing variables, so we go variable add. He is attacking. We go data. Why do I not have music up yet? Chat, why haven't I put music on? Someone fix that. Let's get some music in here. Also, I realised something. I forgot to put my closed captions. I forgot to reinstall closed captions when I switched which computer I was using for streaming. So I will do that after stream today. Because I can't do it while stream's running because I think I have to close OBS to install the extension. So cool, all the YouTube music. Okay, go. Oh, you can't hear. Oh my god, hold on. I've been a fucking... how long was I on the wrong screen? Well, there you go now. You can see what I'm doing now. Only like 20 minutes on the wrong screen, that's not too bad. Okay. Now you compile, okay. So we need to adjust the game mode. Do I have it open? No, I don't. And so now that you're using you, that's smart. It's frozen. Holy shit, it actually crashed. That's interesting. It had the same GUID as something else. PP third person character C. Okay. What I'm thinking is I need to delete the other one I made first. And delete the one from the old game, the old content as well. Oh shit, yeah, it crashed without saving things last time this happened. That's what caused my project to break. And that never works, and now it's going to be broken forever. Oh no. I go to game modes, blueprints. Third person character is what we want, because that's the one that's correct now. You don't need to exist anymore. And then we need to go to old content and delete the original version of this, which was called third person. Okay, now we can be the guy. Look at it. Look at him. Oh yeah, we got our guy. Now what the fuck? No, this isn't the old grasslands. Sorry, just for a second I was like, hang on, that looks like the terrain I've moved. No, it's just a different random noise that's got like a pit in the middle and spikes around it, which is kind of like statistically a very common way for this sort of noise to generate. Hey, look at my guy. He's zooming. He's Newman. Okay, good. Works as expected. Boom. That's thing 1 done. Don't need that. Also, I did reinstall the cell shader correctly now, so we should be able to do it if we go to post-process volume. Go to material. Oh, that's world settings. Hold on. You get cast down to that tab. And your material here. Parchment. Why is it not recognizing these? Not cell shader, materials. You know, if I go to old content... No, I deleted the old content cell shaders, so why is it not... Hold on. Epic Game Launcher. Library. Advanced Cell Shader Light. Add to project. Try 4. Okay, there we go. Why did it get rid of everything? If I look at the cached content, can I do that? Okay, I'm gonna have to find it myself, hold on. For some reason, either they updated it and got rid of all the presets, or it's gone wrong. How do I... Where's my cache? Okay, got it. We are looking for advanced cell shading. Okay, well, there's 2 different versions of it. One from... They're both from yesterday. Okay, it's clear to put you back on the screen now. So here's one of them. If I go into this and search for parchment, there should be no items. You can in fact... Yeah, that's the only thing that matches in my cached content. Yeah, okay. So there's got to be something in this one. There are cell shader, presets. Yeah, this is all the stuff I'm used to. And it does have parchment. Why didn't it... I can literally see something with the word parchment in it. Here. Okay, well. Obviously what we've got to do is... You've got to go advanced cell shader. Move that into content. No, it's not going to work because you can't import Unreal assets. what I can do is open it again. Copy it and paste it here. Or I should have done that after I force deleted the entire folder. Whoa! Oh my god, it's deleting 500% of the 600% of the folder. That makes sense mathematically. Oh my god. This is because I copy stuff into the folder after I... Probably. Again, we're deleting 1000% of the things we found because you added 10 times the amount after we scanned it. Oh, I am a fool. But a fool who's gonna get her damn game to work. Okay, that was just deleting. We gotta wait for it to delete things. Actually, given that I'm obliterating a folder, I probably could have just safely done it from here. Oh, there we go. That being said, there is still stuff in here. Will it find the parchment one because I fucked up? It will, okay. Parchment. There we go, okay. We have our cell shader working. Kind of. I'll need to fix the settings so it's back how I liked it, but it is working technically. And to fix it, that means I'm going to have to watch back my old VOD, or like my last VOD of this, where I went through all the settings live and tweaked them. That's going to be painful because I'm going to have to find the right bit. But we have a thing, we have two things working actually. Next thing, make the wandering characters work. Yes, you can get closed Epic Game Launch. Let me close the Epic Games. Actually, I don't need it. Okay, so... this is a whole lot of errors. I think we could probably... No, I suppose the spawner is the next thing to fix. That's actually what we put into the world, and these seem to just work. I guess you don't have much going on though. Okay, so spawner can get dragged out to the correctly working things. Please don't crash the game like you did last time I moved something. Oh hey, it crashed the game like last time I tried to move something. That's interesting. Close. Okay, that's stupid. Well, I guess we just send and restart. And it saves each crash log to a separate folder. Okay, hang on, that's probably super bloating my previous one then. Huh? Why is there a copy of the cell shader folder there? That's just loose in my thing. Well, not too many crashes because I was deleting the save folders because that clears up memory. Oh hey, I didn't even remember my thing. Excuse me. Hello? Where's process volume, material, basic reference, part. Oh, if I can spell it right, parchment. Okay, so it looks like we're just going to have to recreate these things from scratch. Well, actually what we're going to do is just copy the copy paste the blueprint into an identically functioning thing. And did I delete the... Did I do anything? Okay, so, for some reason, if I do this, it fucking crashes the project. Like, it doesn't like me moving files for some reason. What I'm going to see if I can do is move it manually. So we want to go to start, no, it's in third person, move you to content, then move you, no, don't open it, move it to game modes to overworld to blueprints, and now it should work. How do I open it? Unreal. Yes, sure, try rebuilding it, you're gonna fail. Okay, so it does that, then we open it again. Crazy thing is, that's not even my project being broken, that's just the standard way you have to open a C++ project. Oh hey, I didn't remember the thing. I gotta just save after I change the material. I do this, save everything. Where's my player character gone? Because I moved him. Okay, that makes sense. So I need to go to project settings. No, I don't go to project settings, I go to game modes. And our default pawn is going to be third person character. Excuse me. To world settings. Game mode. Yeah, just set the default pawn to third person character. Okay, it's not registering because I moved it probably. Okay, now you have been acknowledged as existing. Your animations are broken. Slicer movement. Okay, your animations are broken, that's fun. Great, there's two different versions of third person character now. One of them is a non-existent version. But now you work. Open that. Figure out what's wrong. What's wrong with you? Why can't you compile? Because the task to you have an is attacking. Thank you. Recognize the things I'm saying. Good machine. Okay, there we go. And now you can animate and you can run. Oh yeah, I'll go back. We back again. Now we need something for our guy to fight. So we go to create blueprint class of a shit, what type of character do we use? Use character, okay, that makes sense. Okay, that doesn't matter, we go to the event graph. There we go, there's its old event graph. We copy all of that and paste it in here. Okay, so you don't have a spawn position. Why don't you have a spawn position? Because that's a variable that we need to add. Spawn pos, which is a vector. Wander radius, which is a float. Is it a float that I'll ever define as something other than an integer? Probably not. But still, it is possible for it to be a float, so it makes sense. The previous rotation. Rotation rate. Oh, hang on, because our character doesn't have a blade, we need to add the blade, which is a cube. No, it's a box. Set that to the blade. Pause the animations. Fix that. This is like 27. And then we move you to like 4, no, -4, -10. Now, are you even at the right scale? Yeah, 0.02, that is the right scale. We're going to compile you. Now our generic Roma. Okay, get this again. Get blade. Oh, hang on, that's invalid. That's awesome character. Oh, you're not counting as a variable. Oh. Oh, that works too. And what else would this connect to? That probably. Align this to the grid, got to align to the grid. Okay, we now need to make the battler data for our Roma. If we didn't actually record it in battler data, then it's a battler data. Well, that's about the wrong thing. Let's open up the thing then for our battle transfer. We have a battler data. Hit save game object. Battler transfer. Set date. Oh, hang on. That means this class isn't set. Okay, so if I do this, set battler data, there we go. You, to you, delete, you. Oh, now it works. We don't need to set the return position for these guys. Oh, we do need to go. Shit, what's the other one called? Did I delete the old battle transfer? Probably. I'm not seeing it. In right. Influence. Whoa, okay. Well, of course you don't look like anything. You don't exist. It's literally just an actor. It's not meant to have a visible component. Let's open up the battler as well. Oh, hang on, but this does tell me what things we had. Animation blueprint. Is the animation blueprint stored in the battler data now? How do anyone remember? Battle anim. Okay, yeah, it is. So all that else is needed is what else do we need here? We need it meh. Or do we know we don't need that? That would make not sense. So we make that separate. Skeletal mesh class reference, I think. No, object reference. That way we go. No, static mesh object, we go set mesh. That's not going to work. Set mesh from here. And set mesh from this. And yes, in the battle transfer we need the is enabled thing so that it knows that this slot is actually being used and it's not just loose data from a previous fight. Oh shit, hang on, data clock, back in a second. I'm back. Told you it wouldn't be long. Yeah, would be yeah. Okay, yeah, we do use the is enabled thing. So where's our generic run? I keep moving where it is. Okay, next thing, that chosen battle is that needs to be a variable here. needs to be an integer. Okay, next up is save game object of SG battle transfer. No, don't get battle armor, get battler data. Oh, you're getting the wrong thing. It needs to be generic Roma, not Roma generic. So why is this still erroring? What's the next thing it's connected to? And then we go get battler data because it's now the correct class. Set data set mech and set is enabled. Right, that logic is complete. The error because you don't like me. Your set is enabled to false for all the ones where it couldn't find an enemy. Oh shoot, ads, sorry, hold on. Okay, stop for a minute and breathe. Hey. Okay, ads are over cool. Basically, I sat there, did nothing for a minute, which was nice. Got it, okay. This can all get scrapped because it effectively does not need to exist. That was before we had the battler data object. So what's the next one we set? Mesh. And because this first one for now is guaranteed to be the player's thing, we go slicer. The next one is return position. Will be the player's current position. No, I didn't do that bit. I forgot to add that. Very important. Okay, next error. Got to attach the node there. That's fine. That's an error on my part. Compile. There we go. Woohoo! Okay, so now we have a generic chroma. We should give it a mesh. And its mesh shall be bookhead. Well, the bookhead exists, partially. Now, is that anywhere near? Just got to make some fixed data here for a second, where we usually have something that's a variable. Because we need your event graph to have a spawn position known on a radius of 500. Then we compile you, bam, and you should do something. Yeah, that's fine. And then you just sort of chill. Oh, it's broken. I mean, no, it's working, but one specific part isn't. Also, should probably go up. There's I think it's going to be an issue soon enough that I'll have to fix at some point. Like the whole running out of graphics memory thing, which it always complains about, which is stupid, because I have enough graphics memory. Textures. Anyway, enough admiring this silly thing. We now need to make it so that they can be spawned into the wild. So we need to make a blueprint that's just an actor because it doesn't need to have any physicality. It's BP underscore spawner. No, be more specific. It's aroma spawner. The spawner has an invisible sphere for editor-only purposes. Oh no, not a sphere collision. In fact, they have a distinction between a box and a cube for collision and physical object, but they don't have a distinction between sphere and ball for collision versus physical object. That's the sphere. I mean, it says sphere collision, but if you press... I think it's stupid. They should... If they're gonna have things be things, they should make it consistent whether the thing is the same as the thing or not the same as the thing. Okay, so then graph, we just will copy this entire deal. Okay, when the radius is a float. You don't need to do this. I know there's nothing there. Group size is an integer. And Roma type is a character, a class reference. There we go. Okay, that should be easy. We should just be able to delete that, put in one of you here. I've got to expose your variables. How did I make it so that it did the thing? I made it so that... Aha! There we go. Instruction script. Oh, it's not called sphere, it's called... Get radius. We'll see what happens if you put its radius to be half or so outside. Group size is going to be like 5, and it's going to spawn BP generic Roma. Great, they're just not doing anything. Also, hang on, did all 5 spawn within the bounds? Yes, they do. So I should probably unpause my player character animations because that is incredibly jarring. Don't worry, that's not a thing that's broken. Oh shit, hang on, they have the wrong like movement settings, I suspect. 15, 20, 2,000. $300. Some of these really don't matter for the purposes of this, but oh well. Time. We don't need to worry about network, don't worry about swinging or flying. Custom movement, I think we can ignore. Oh, Trix, hi. Today I'm copying all of my code. Oh, what the fuck? Excuse me, I asked you to loot that one thing. Don't stop playing Zelda at me, I want Narnia. Sorry. Today I am copying all of my code from the... hold on, let me start from the top. My project broke a couple weeks ago, and I can't just copy all of the code across to a new project, so I have to, like, manually fix it, and that's what I'm doing today. Currently I'm trying to get it so that these are just like guys that walk around, except you may notice they're not walking around, so right now I'm trying to make it so that they walk around by manually copying all the valuables from the movement component of the original one. So I didn't have an easier way. Yeah, Unreal is really shitty. In some ways it has like a lot of stupid things with how like asset references work, and like data types and stuff. So there's like not really a way to just move your like actor class things between projects. You have to like copy it all into a new thing that's native to that project. Like I would like to do where there's no really easy way to do multiple things at once. God. Yeah, computer stuff just sucks sometimes. You know what a fun thing is, though? That I think I might have left in here? All content. No, I moved... Yeah, no, okay, never mind. The interesting thing can stay a secret. So if I gotta carry on copying things, we can effectively... all that. Rotation settings. How? You make soup. Ooh, lovely. I love some good soup. All these things are the same. These are all the same. Still being house husband now, keep busy. Plus, you finally made your Twitch panels. Oh, very nice. I need to get on with those for myself as well. There's so many things with my socials that I need to get on with. I need to fix the rules on my Discord server. Need to add my panels for Twitch. Need to do a better pinned tweet on my Blue Sky. Need to get an editor for YouTube. I've genuinely considered getting an editor for YouTube because I want to start making YouTube videos, but I know that I can't edit for shit. Or at least I can't make my videos good, or it's quite a timely manner. I've got to do the bare minimum for everything right now, really. But your panels are very cool. I think I saw you post them. What am I doing? Nav mesh movement. I'm pretty satisfied with your Discord, but you definitely can handle editing better. So hard to type sometimes out with your shitty finger mobility. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that does sound like it would be an issue. I don't even know how to add captions to YouTube videos. If I did, I'd probably go back and add manual captions to all of my old videos as well. Because like YouTube's like auto captions aren't exactly accurate a lot of the time. You know, auto subs and stuff. Like it's feed your word and chat you don't like it. Yeah. Oh, hold on. It's the stupidest thing. It's the stupidest thing. It's the stupidest thing. It's auto possess. Auto possess needs. For some reason, there's a setting where you can make it so that basically your objects in the world don't get turned on, or like they don't actually function unless you manually put them there, meaning you can't like generate characters into the world. But now it should work, and I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, they're floating a bit, don't mind that. Because you don't button mashing or you round the hill, you don't figure out if objects be turned. Okay, fine, we can make them. They are turned on now, though. Everything in my game's turned on, except the stuff I don't want. Okay, that worked. I should probably delete this. No, don't delete it. Just set it to default null. There we go. I'm going to need to open that back up in a second because I'm going to need to fix the collision for it. Because I now need to make it so that it recognizes when the player attacks it. More turn on the method, exactly. Get everything turned on, whatever circumstances there are. What are the collision settings on the original version? We need to set up specific things. Okay, so it's capsule is just a pawn, that's fine, that's normal. No, it's capsule. Oh, those are flipped the wrong way around. Okay, so it's let me get this custom 2 1 2. Is that correct? Yes. Okay, so that's the same. Then it's mesh. You just have different collision. You need to specifically set things like so that they won't fuck with the camera and so that they won't. 1 1 1 1 4 8 no 1 1 1 1 4. Yep, hang on. 1 4. But they will register specifically when they hit into the hitbox for the player's blade, but nothing else because the player's blade is a world dynamic. So we set the blade to be overlap all, yeah, that's fine. And both things need to have simulation generates hit events. This, because basically you want it when you're swinging your weapon, you want it to recognize on the part of the NPC that you're attacking. Every time it touches something, we want to make sure that thing it's touching is the player's weapon, and that it's touching specifically the mesh, but not the capsule, because the capsule is just for movement. So here we have our blade be dynamic. That's fine, that can be a character mesh, and it doesn't need to generate hit events for the regular mesh. So now, something will happen. Where the fuck are they? Why haven't they spawned? They haven't spawned because the generic roamer has no visuals to it, so we need to create one. Actually, what I need to do is delete all of the character. Oh no, actually, except the deer. Don't delete the deer because I don't want to make its animations again, unless I keep the deer animation thing, move that into the main characters folder. Make sure those load errors. Half of the stuff it's referencing doesn't exist. We'll move you here. And it didn't crash. Hey, that's a first. Usually it crashes when I move things. Then we get... Did I do animations for the rat? I did. And... Oh, it's in biped. Bookhead animations. Then space. Get everything into the regular characters folder. I think that's all the enemies that I defined. Now we purge the old characters folder so that we don't have them getting in the way of anything, because those are pretty much completely broken assets, because, okay, as I said, I moved things from one project to another, so it, despite the fact that relative to each other within the file structure, they should still be able to find all of their textures and animations and skeletons and stuff. The engine has no fucking idea what it's doing, and I can't be able to manually fix it for everything, so we're just gonna delete them all and re-import from my cache. I should probably do it from... This is going to take a minute because there's like several gigabytes of data it's trying to delete here. So I'll just sit back and go like, how's everyone doing? It's just small talk. Yes, we talk small. How's the weather? Oh, shit! Hang on. Did I move the? Yes, I did move the slicer. I think. But I can check. I can't check. I can check here. I go content, characters, slicer, animations. Okay, yeah, everything for the slicers in the new folder. That's good. Yes, we can delete it all. And this is one of those times where I probably should have deleted, again, another time where I should have deleted everything from my regular file explorer instead of in the engine, because none of the stuff was being used anyway. It would be fine to just fully erase it from outside, so that we don't get this bullshit. It's finished. Okay. Yeah. I'll just delete that again because sometimes it doesn't delete the things. Which is not going to because it's got folders within folders, but it doesn't like doing that, so I have to do it manually from outside. None of that's being used. So in our content here we now have, well now we actually need to once again, as I said, re-import the important bits. So we'll just get one of my guys. We'll start with the zombie, that's a pretty good enemy. Only take a minute, there we go. So you go into characters. Yeah, I actually moved it properly. I'm also going to need the zombie animations pack because I don't like, oh no, I don't think it comes with any animations that I like. It's like a regular human walk cycle, which is not what I want to go for with it. Oh god, yeah, there's a lot of animations here, and I'm only going to use like 5 of them probably. Okay, cool. Oh god. Not quite finished, never mind. That's strange, I haven't moved everything properly. Or it has some sort of... New characters. Book head goes into its folder. You know, there's nothing in here, so we can delete it. And your folder here for animation. I can't delete that actually. I think I still need that because that's where the characters that the animations are currently on are. So we need to just start with the walk cycle because that's what we'll need. I think it's walk. Which of these looks familiar? 5? Yeah, that looks like the right one. Then we need to retarget to book head. We could just sort of do everything just in case I use it all. What the fuck? And if we retarget it all at once, that way I can delete all of the like copy of the mannequin that's been brought in by the animation pack. Animations to characters, Bird Monster, animations. So what's my usual? Sorry, gotta keep it consistent, gotta go make sure it's the same names for things. Characters, slicer, animations. Okay, so it's anim underscore bookhead monster, then it'll be cool like that, and then we don't need a suffix. It'll be like anim bookhead monster walk 1, etc. Export. Override any existing files, which there shouldn't be. We go, okay. Now that's just one hell of a messy folder. We can delete the old zombie animations because they don't need to exist anymore. Force delete, boop. Don't think that breaks things. I said delete you, why are you still there? Because it doesn't like to delete folders that have subfolders. And so it just doesn't like to delete folders at all. That's fine. Okay, now we create this. This was all just so we could go to the game mode, overworld, blueprint, create a copy of the generic Roma. Was it? No, so we could. What? I don't know what that means. That can get hidden for now. Previously, what I did for the generic Roma is that the fallback option, so like the base thing, because basically for every type of enemy we just create a child blueprint which inherits all of the code, but then we just change the mesh. But the generic one, which just fell back to using the zombie. And its animation, it just used walk 5, I think we said. Yeah, there we go. Speed's probably going to be a little off. If any of those things aren't even being used, why is there nothing there? I accidentally deleted the spawner. How did I do that? Group size of 10 and Roma type. It's for generic Roma. Yeah, they're moving way faster than their thing should be. But that's fine. Actually, no, it's not fine. I want them to walk slower. Like 40, I think, the correct thing for this is. Now, if I attack one of these, it should just completely. Why can you? Oh, because my third-person character capsule is the wrong. And what are you doing with pawns? Pawn should block, so my capsule component should be kicked. At least my mesh should. Okay, that's an issue to deal with later. Currently nothing happens. We need to get some printing done. On component begin overlap. We just need to print when it happens. Now. You're generating overlaps, aren't you? You bought collision enabled. Oh, that might be it. Because for some reason you had collision disabled. Query only. Yeah, collision enabled query and physics. So now I should be able to walk into you, yeah. And you kick me? No, you don't. Why don't you kick me? Is that just bad? Oh, you just sort of loop right around me with your foot. Ah, shit, they can walk into each other again. Yeah, hold on. That's going to be fixed. your world static, so you should... And I should open up the original one. What were your parts? You were a world dynamic and you are a pawn. Okay, so... Now you should just sort of walk through each other. Yeah, they do. Okay, cool. Okay, nothing's being printed anywhere. Hmm. Remember, did I... Was there anything in your construction script? There is, okay. Roma spawner. Oh, like that and like that. That's all neat and tidy. No, it doesn't really matter what goes on here. Okay. Why aren't you printing anything? Let's go. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe because I'm using a on component begin overlap. And if I delete this and then go. Oh, hang on, I forget how to do things. Mesh. Then we go down to all of its things on component begin overlap. Drag that into the right spot on the graph. Yeah, it was trying to do it with a component that didn't exist because it was trying to reference the mesh from a different object. So overlap. Other component. We check if that's the same as the blade. Now it should work. Well, it should like break the game in some way. Actually, we need to get the print back. They're all converging on 0. Why are they doing that? Because I've set it to 0. Oh, hang on. And the print thing that we said about print hello. We need something to know that something's happening. Okay, why is my problem with my blade? Generates overlap events and see. Hang on. Did I miss a tick box here? Yes, I did. I forgot to tick generate overlap events. That's on me. Picked the wrong box. And then it breaks. Yippee! That's what we expect. Basically, it just put you down right below the world because it was trying to send you to a map that doesn't exist. Let's see what happens if we go really far up, if I've got distracted. And then down. Low. How did I go? Oh, I'm already fast away. Okay. So if I start this... No. Okay, now we need to stop it from printing hello, because it is printing hello on every overlap beginning. So where is it sending us to right now? A map called Level Generic Battle. Okay, so we go to Game Mode, Battle, create a new folder for our maps. Do we call it maps or levels? Levels. Okay, got to keep things consistent. Rename that, please. And now that I've renamed that, I'll be back in a second because I gotta go to the bye. Enjoy the music. Hi, I'm back. So, what were we doing? Oh yeah, we want to get the battles working now. Oh, the water's empty. Oh well. Okay, so battle levels. Open the generic level battle. Yes, they all the things. Go back. I need to copy my lighting setup because I never remember it. I was about to say, copying the folder only copies the folder. Okay. Copy that. And go to the overworld blueprint. No, we don't go to the overworld. We go to no. You ask me to save those again every time, isn't it? Now we need a plane. Also for battle, we need the battle blueprint of the... Oh, okay, we've got to go to the old content version. BP underscore battle cam, which will open up. Sky, hello. Welcome in. We're gaming. Well, we're not gaming. We're you know. That's working. I can close that. So we have game. No, we need to go to the place with the things, with the correct things. Here's the correct things. Continue with blueprint game mode. You're also very yeah. Hate it when people are but for me, I think you might have missed it, but what happened is game broke. Now I have to basically recreate the whole thing in a new project, and it's painful. You can just be a pawn apparently. BP underscore battle camera game mode battle doesn't need a. It's a game mode. Why do you have those things? Go away. You don't need components. You're a game mode base. Your college assignment you have to finish by the end of class tomorrow. Oh no, that's not much time. I won't try and talk to you then, so you can get on with that. It's a video project? Interesting. Battle camera is technically our player class for when we're in battles, but it's literally just a way to keep a camera fixed in place. So we get a camera. It's a very uninspired explanation of a boring topic. When you're done working, okay then. Well, welcome in. Big hugs, big distractions. So I have a camera. The camera needs to go at -1,500, -30, -1,000. What? -1,000. That's just 100. -1,000. -30 degrees. So that it's looking down at the camera, so it's looking down at the scene from above. But did I put that plane in? Oh, it's right there. Okay. Go right from your partner and you can use tomorrow to finish the editing process. Oh, okay, good. It'll be great help considering he recorded the uninspired explanation. And you chose a boring topic, made it boring, and you've got to make an interesting video out of it. That sounds tough and boring. How big does this plane need to be? Grid. What? Why are there no grids that I can use? Oh, hang on, it should be on the material. I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. Grid. Prototype grid, is that it? You look like the right grid. Yes, it is. Okay, brilliant. You play a start. And so at 0, 0, 0. No, 0. Thank you. But we're not overriding the game mode yet, so we fix that. We do world settings, game mode override, game mode underscore battle. So now when you play, it's just a camera. So we have the camera, now we need the actual things that do things in the fight. Which is specifically this. Gotta copy this and get rid of all the red lines, because that's a lot of red lines. So we go BP, please print. What type of thing is it? It is an actor, of course, because it doesn't have a physical form. Actually, let's just call it Battle Manager, because it manages the battle and the battlers. And I don't want it conflicting with the already existing named Battler Manager, which I'm going to delete later, but I don't want to accidentally confuse them. Okay, that plays in the wrong level. I just want to make sure that it loads into the right thing correctly. We go to the grasslands. I think that's correct. So we go here. Well, look at them all. Then we attack one, and it does the wrong thing. Okay, why did it do the wrong thing? I must have typed the name in wrong. The one's called generic battle. Instead it just sort of flops you down below the map for some reason. Definitely not spelled that wrong. When you attack someone, it does the wrong thing. Why did it do the wrong thing? Right, it's loading you into... Fuck, you get your mouse back. I never remember the thing. Shift F1, of course. Okay, no, it is loading you in, but it's got the wrong everything. Also, why the fuck is that? That part of the sky too? Huh. Here we have a strange light in the sky. I guess that's there. Okay, so in the level generic battle, you play it, it should do this. That's what we expect. So once the player starts spawning, it should spawn the generic pawn, which is the BP battle camera. Hang on, no, we don't do it like that. Did I just before in olden version of this that was broken now? Battle camera. I just put the battle camera in and then it forces it to use. More importantly, it's not doing the right thing. In the overworld, we're here. It says grasslands 1. Then we attack a guy and it says it's moved you to level generic battle. And it just sort of puts you below the world here. Is that thing up the sky? No, it just seems to be in the editor. It's strange, strange, strange. Is it just... I think maybe if I just put any random text in here... If I just put any random text in, then do that. Okay, so it's recognizing that that's invalid, but for some reason no underscore generic battle just breaks it. It just says, okay, yeah, sure, we'll put you in that, then doesn't. Unless what I do is just like change what the sky sphere looks like. And there are 2 level generic battles, because the old one might still be here. Well, that doesn't know which one to do. So we can delete the old one. Oh, it is using a player start, okay. Unable to delete what's open, yeah, that makes sense, I guess. And now I can do this. And if I attack someone, okay, it does the right thing. That's what we expect. That's what we expect. That's good. Big stretch. Big stretchy stretch. Back to the battle, blueprints, battle manager. You basically just need to copy everything from the battler manager. Ooh. Okay, first things first, no construction script. So Minecraft, we get you, copy and paste. Event begin play, that makes sense. Why is that an error? And I go load game from slot. No, not async, we do not need it in async, it's actually question, can I go spawn actor in construction script? No, I can't. Okay, so we can't do that there. So if I do this, and this, delete you. Oh, is it just because sometimes it just doesn't like the thing that it's being attempted to cast to? You're just a regular saver, so cast to SG underscore battle transfer. Okay, where's the next error? Spawn actor. Battle. Okay, so now we need to make the battlers so that they work. Now here's an issue. Battler has to have the same name as battler because there's no other way I could name them unless I completely then redid my naming scheme for things. So it's going to have to just be VP battler, and we're going to have to put up with it. And hope I don't actually reference the wrong one ever. Quick, what's the original type? It's a pawn. the wrong one. Okay. So here's the broken battler. You just need a skeletal mesh. And whatever's going on here. Eesh. What the hell was going on with that bit? Okay, can't call that function because it doesn't exist. First and first, your variables, you don't need any of these. Except max HP is necessary, I think. And apparently float, I guess we did HP as floats. That makes sense. Because HP is a float so that you can have more precise increments of it, but max HP should be an integer, really. Then we have battler data as well, which is the data structure that stores everything for easier transferring between overworld and battles. That should be invisible and exposed on spawn. And MVP man of messages. Is alive. Okay, all these ones down here are kind of necessary, I think, because they're things that are like dynamic per running of the script. So is alive. Boolean. That doesn't need to be exposed on spawn. You know, because max HP, that can be calculated. And then EV battler. Get the construction script in here. Hang on. Break that into battle animals. There we go, okay. What do you mean there's an error there? There's no mesh. It's not called. Oh no, it's battle. Okay, no, we do need the mesh variable. You're an idiot. Is this a sign? And then we need your speed and speed total. No, we don't need your speed because your speed comes from battler data. Break it. You do still need the speed total because that's a thing that isn't going to be able to go in the battler data, or it could, but it wouldn't make sense. We're just going to stay back here for whenever we need it in the future, which we inevitably will, because it's kind of the basis of everything in this code. Is player I guess that could stay as here. And a boolean. And how's his player set? Is that set by it being spawned? Like, is it a fixed thing we set? Yeah, his player is manually set on spawning, so that's fine here. Construct what's being constructed here. The UI, okay. So then we make the UI. We go battle. We go folder, we go UI. Well, the UI should just be able to be dragged across. I will just save everything just to make sure. It didn't crash, that's a good start. Okay, what's constructed first here is the UI underscore battle buttons, I think. So I'm going to get actor of class battle man manager. So this needs to be dragged across to here. Random array item, because that is how we do this. And then we do a break. Damage goes to there. Hit times goes to there. This must go to here because it's random timings. This also must go to random timings because it's the only other thing of the same type. Attack type? Is that damage type? Yeah, and now the unknown struct can be deleted. Hit iterator, that's a variable niche made. Sorry, I've sunken towards the screen. Because again, that's a thing that works per instance of this script being run. Okay. Why are you an issue? Okay, because the battle manager is missing variables. Can I copy and paste variables? I can, okay. That makes it easier. Okay. Really won't compile, but I just need to get this out there. You have a... Oh, okay, no. You need to get a battle man. We need to loop re-entry, there we go. Must have get friends list. Okay, well, why isn't that reading it as a specifically array of object? Hang on, if I go battler, which battler is it? Well, now it might work. Now, did I compile? No, I didn't. Okay, now, but just as an example, if I delete that and then change this to the other battler object reference, which means I was right. Second time. We need to then... Hold on just a second. Sorry, false alarm. Let's continue. What were we doing? We were getting things working. Get 0. Oh right, because that battler then won't have its... You know, I'm just going to copy all of these so we can delete the old battler. No, XP doesn't need to exist because it's going to be stored. Now, how do I set battler data? Okay, I have to make a make battler data. Yeah, I would. Okay. Go to just set one of these. I have to go like. So I just wanted to change something to XP. Why is XP an array? What? Okay, that's gone wrong somewhere. Okay, this is how. If I just wanted to add something to XP, I just go. That's an incredibly convoluted way, but the only way I can think of that you'd be able to set this set members in. Okay, I'll have to look into if there's a better way than the long thing I showed. What was this pointing to? Found loop re-entry, okay, that makes sense. Okay, no, attack type is apparently also a thing that needs to be defined because it's separate to the damage type of your attack. Anyway, that whole tangent where I just showed you how complicated it is to make to change a single thing with a battle of data, I need to change this one's HP. Because you need to do damage when you attack. Don't know why I... Oh, okay, I see. So I get this. And then break it. This has got to go way down so we have space to draw out the other thing. When you get your target, you get their battle data, you break their battle data. So you get their HP. And so you can subtract your... Now what the hell is this meant to... Oh, that's meant to be the thing you're attacking. And then let me go... Set. And we go make battle data. There's no way to go set HP. Then we set back to the data. Goes like this. Oh, hang on, if I... No, because then they'll just sort of have a default value instead, if it's hidden. Yeah, this is a bloody mess. Unless this goes up here, which is also a mess, but a slightly more readable mess. Something on my desk is wobbling, that's not good. We don't like that. Okay, how long have we been going? 3 hours? Nearly 3 hours, okay. Okay. Did this compile even? It has an... That's new. With a warning. Okay, it should be marked into editable, fuck you. Here we go, okay, so that, the battler is compiled. We can now delete the old battler. Well, they're going to ask me to replace references. Huh. Okay. Well, we are here apparently. Am I here? Doesn't matter, we got to get the battle manager working. You are spawning a battler. With this, it's much easier because you just do that. Actually, we don't want to make... Oh, that's where there was the error, because I turned this off from being instant editable. I forgot to untick that, because construction script should get your HP and then set max HP. There we go. And the Romans work, so that can be closed. The battler will repeat over just in case. Oh, hang on. These need to be battler Battler. Gichigon. What the hell was this doing? Okay, it's incrementing the enemies list, but it's adding. Okay, hang on. So we go add. No, just add an item. Press the right button. Add. There we go. That's what's getting added. Now it looks. Now it works. Okay. Use player. No. Hit Anu. What the fuck? Why is Hit Anu exposed on spawn? Okay, that's an issue for another time. Instigator, doesn't matter. Delete all of this. Load game from slot. Delete the bad cast node. Cast to our correct thing. Okay, that's why that will be squished over this way. Okay. What's the next compilation error here? Health bars we need. UI underscore health bars. Okay, error fixed. Get all actors of class Battler. We can't just get HP, we have to get Battler data. Get. Okay, you have to break it. Just so we can get its HP to go here. And the other thing is tracing across here to somewhere. Not entirely sure where. Okay, that's got deleted. Okay, I will figure out what that was going to at some point. With some point being right now, because this is me fixing it. I can't fix it if I don't know what I don't know yet. Okay, so this was only allow turn if alive, and then in battle manager, where does that node go to? It casts it to the things take turn. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so he goes here to here. That gets deleted. That can get deleted, so we can put the new one in its place. That is alive. So false here. Get death and in lengths. Delete that and put this up to here. Delete the empty node. Game cursor, load game from slot. Will we cast you to a better thing? Cast to SD. Get return position. Yeah. Oh, hang on, and it's nearly ad break time. In like a minute. The friends list here. We need to then get a copy of number 0. Then that begets HP and XP, so we need to get data and then break it. Its HP goes up here, delete the old HP node. Its XP goes to there, delete the old XP node. Oh, it seems to be SG battle transfer. Oh, hang on. Never mind. We don't need to break anything because it's now been changed, hasn't it? Because we go set battler data and then all of it gets copied across. and then we do the set return position as well. Oh, and there's the ads. So that's my time to just stop and take a break. And fill up my drink. Okay, hello. Okay, we're back. Where's the next compiler error? Where's this actually? Oh, it's here. Okay, okay, that technically works. Probably something I've missed. Oh, this isn't comparing. This isn't getting the enemy's HP to check if it's alive. I mean, I'll have to optimize this at some point anyway. Oh, hang on, there's a... Okay, that makes it so much easier to read these generally. What the fuck is this? We're looping back up to here. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's see what happens. So we go to fight, maps. No way, that's not right. Content. Oh, no, not all content. Not starter content. Game modes, battle, levels, loads of battle levels. Yes, we'll save all the things. And we get a no. We get a battle manager. Get you a 000. Go back into the overworld. Airplane editor. We'll have to fix the UI next, and nothing happens. Why does nothing happen? It spawned. It spawned the battlers. Okay, why isn't it doing anything then? Oh god, my phone's about to die. Oh, okay, that could turn off for a minute then. Okay, so I think it's probably something to do with the fact that battlers it is definitely the same battler class. Battlers likely don't have a correctly assigned skeletal mesh. What's setting this mesh? That comes from its battler data, I think. Oh no, hang on, the mesh isn't being exposed on spawn, so we're not being able to set it here. Okay, that makes sense. That's just a silly error on my part. Excuse me? It should be, it's exposed on spawn, so it should be here. There it is, okay. Just need a little refresh. Okay, you're going to be a pain. I see. I see how it is. Here's the mesh. Now they have a mesh that can be set. Okay, good. It's working. But the animations are not playing. Why are the animations not playing? That's something in construction because it's setting the anim instance class of nothing, because these likely in their battler datas don't have functional animation classes. That's probably the least of my concerns right now. I need to get the UI working next, I would say, is the next most important thing. So yes, game mode battle UI, open all of them. You can't compile because first of all we save and then reopen. So you actually have your graph. You are trying to construct. Okay, on button pressed attack button we go UI. Enemy select, and then on press button talk you look for an okay, now this is getting the manager. Okay, get enemies if you're going to be like that. And then get enemies list. You keep there, and that's a bitch because it hates me. Oh, how are you being used again? What? Oh, okay, I'm here. You're being used. Wait, what? Who did the last enemy recruited function belong to? Did I remember that? Is that in one of the other UIs? Actually, that wasn't part of the old battler that I deleted, was it? Wait, no, UI... sorry, last enemy recruited, okay, that's there in the battle manager. So we just drag this down here instead. One for each. You want to get it alive. And that connects to here. And holy shit, what the hell are you grabbing here? Some things from when this was not so concise. Oh, this is saving something. Oh, because this is when you recruit the last enemy, it saves them into a new player slot. My save game. So then your player 2 is added. Hang on, no, because you've got to fully construct battler data. But to make a battler data, no we don't, because it's already an enemy, so we just get its battler data. You go set battler data. What's the other thing? Why is the mesh a separate? Mesh should be in the battler data, I think. I'll probably change that in a minute. So it enabled is now true for this. And then we set, the last thing is the mesh, which we do need to grab its mesh then. Combine? Hell yeah, okay. In the enemy select, where's your arrows? Oh my fucking god. That's just like terrible and appalling. Okay, well this is the manager. You need to get your enemies list. Wait, what was there before? Get your length, okay. And then that floats down. And this is also my guy, the manager. Okay, what's going on here? We need to get the all battlers list. So that can be, we know where does that go. You then get an instant, you can then get a thing at a certain place on it, okay. We need to get speed tick counter. Get a copy. That's the only place you're going to, that's the only place you're going to, and then you're going to... We need to get your hit iterator, which just goes here and here. We can delete that, put you in its place. This get also goes to here to set its attack type. And its attack type is set to something that we'll deal with later. We can delete that, put you in its place. Is that where that was coming from? Yes, okay. Then you also need to travel along to here, where we set your hit iterator. Ooh, I don't even know what the fuck this is doing. Oh, this is attacking an enemy, okay. Okay. God, this is fucking annoying. Okay, so we also need to grab specifically the enemies list down here, apparently. List, okay. Then get a copy of that. Which enemy? Boom. Yeah, because this is broken, we need to... Oh, how? Yeah, it can't even get this because it doesn't do this, so we need to get your... You need to break your... Yep. Get your data. Then break your data for its attacks. Then get copy. And then break that. And then your damage goes to here. Hide the unconnected pins of that. And your Allen timings go to here. Your Allen timings also go to here. Thankfully that's primitive data type, so we can kind of just bung those in. Oh, and hit times goes to here as well, apparently. And not there. Yeah, so you can get deleted. We need to get the HP of this enemy, which means we need to break its data. It's HP. So this bottom line is the HP of the thing. Which is used there. So we delete that, and then we need to set this. Need to make data. Nope. Make battle data. The rest of these need to stay the same. Hang on, that HP is the two. It doesn't need to stay the same because that needs to go to there. Then this needs to have a new set HP. Set HP. Or it doesn't exist. No, it's not import set. No, that doesn't exist. Yeah, right. So the enemy that we're doing, we need to go set battle data. So this new one. See what goes on here. What the hell is that connected to? Oh, that's connected to a different thing. Okay. So that is connected to the hit iterator. Hit iterator, there we go. So that can now go here. And then that's the same guy, so we go make a branch here, we go set attack type to idle. No, idle without an H. We compile you, you are technically data correct. Now I just need to neaten everything up. Not by doing this, which is the opposite of neat. Okay, first thing you do is you get all battlers list and the speed tick counter, and then get the battler at the current speed who's currently having their speed ticked, get their battler data, break that so that you can get their attacks, get the attack that they have selected to use, break that, adding connected pins. Then you also want to get all of the enemies in the fight or in the battle. Get the one of those that has been previously selected up here. Get their data and break it. Then you want to set your attack type to the damage type of this of the attack that you selected. Move all this down a little. Move down a little more so it's clear that it's a separate thing. Then you have a little delay of the amount of time that is the animation pause for your attack that you're dealing. And we know which that is because we have a thing called the hit iterator, which is counting up. Okay, and then that needs to be brought in here. Then after that, you set the battler data, specifically the health of the enemy you're attacking by taking its health from the broken up data and subtracting your damage as per your broken up battle attack struct. Feed that into there. Then you increment a variable. Which variable is this? Increment the hit iterator so that we know how many times you've made hits on the enemy in case you're doing a multi-hit attack. You then compare that with something. Hold on. You compare that with the amount of times your attack is meant to hit. And then you want to, and then if there's still more hits to be done, you loop back to the start. And if you've hit the right amount of hits, you wait for the final amount of time, that will be the time between that animation's last hit and the end of the attack animation completely. And then you wait. You set the hit iterator to 0 apparently. I guess just data cleansing probably. Okay, so the hit iterator does its thing here. And then after you set the hit iterator to 0, you set its attack type back to idle so its animations reset. Then you re-enter the turn loop counting. What's this? Oh, that's a reference to the battle manager, so that it knows how to reset the battle. Or that we know who to talk to reset the battle, and there we go. Boom. Need to this up. And then the health bars don't work because, and they're not. Let me restart those. Graph. Okay, we need to get the manager, get the enemies list. Get the friends list as well, apparently. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I think I see what was going on here. We go for each. We are then going to why is manage health bar an error? Because manage health bar hasn't compiled properly either. Because the battler doesn't have an HP, it has a Oh, because I guess it's not. Because battle is just an object reference instead of a battle or object reference. So we go battler, we go break, and then we go get data, break it. All we need is its HP, max HP and speed. No, we don't need its. We don't even need its speed. We need its speed total. And what we need is its max HP and its speed total. There we go. Okay, so we organise this again. Just go like this. Obviously the others it won't compile. Nope. That's the bar, and that's the speed bar. Here we go, for each again. It's exactly the same thing. And manage health bars. And speed bar, we compile. Oh, hey, it works. Now we can play, and we attack someone. It freezes completely. Shit, I forgot to save anything. Did I save everything? Oh shit, it crashed. This looks like a me error. Exception access violation? Shit. Yeah, that's a dangerous error. No, those things aren't even bits that matter, okay. Okay. Okay, so the issue was something. Yes, open everything again. Fuck it. Oh, actually, it might be because it might just not like these UIs. No, that worked. Okay, the UIs are a little bugged, but they are loading. I think I have the speed bars and the health bars switched around. No. Okay, maybe I have some data wrong then. Hmm. I think I can't tell what the issue is exactly. Not really RAM spawner, we fixed that. PP spawner, that's a deprecated, that's the old one that doesn't need to exist anymore. This is, what's this, third person character, you can ignore you for a minute. Buttons, you're not showing that, there we are. That's transfer, no. You're not the issue, you can't be the issue. You could be the issue. Chat, any idea what's going on here? I'm really rather baffled. We had something going on there. There were, however, 4... Maybe I just attacked in the middle. Okay, there's one guy here. I think we probably have some incorrect data going somewhere. Because that makes no sense. It's charging up its health bar as if it's a speed bar. And the bar down here disappearing means that the player dies, which means it's doing damage. So it likely has some sort of speed? Where's... Oh yeah. Ah, it's there, okay. So, maybe I set the player's battle data. HP got to be more than. Let's make that 25. Your speed's going to be super fast. Level 1 XP battle anims. AB slicer battle, which we probably need to recompile. That is slicer animations. AB slicer battle. Compile error. Show me your compile errors. Okay. Okay, we just got to replace all of these manually. Nice slice of yak. Okay, that's compiled, that's worked. So I should also do the same for the zombie guys one, so that he can work in battle as well. Reload it. No, I didn't say that. I said just that. There we go. We need to reset what sequence. Battle idle is going to be idle. Let's see what idle 1 looks like. Maybe that was the one? Or was it 2? No, it wasn't 2. Oh, hold on. Okay, well, the person I was waiting to go live so I could raid them is live, so I'm going to send you over to Trix. I will figure this out in my own time. Go send some love. I'm not sure what he's doing today. I think he's doing an interesting thing. Anyway, I guess I'm ending now, by the way. I'll see you around. Bye! Maybe I should wait till he's actually started his stream. Yeah. Oh, right to the end of the game soundtrack as well. And I'll be ending myself off here.